So it is Tuesday. I'm sorry, it is Monday. I want it to be Tuesday. I just got my cashier's check for the truck, and I'll be heading to Indiana in the morning to go get it. Headed to the airport to go to Indiana. So my flight is in about an hour and a half. It's a regional airport, so there's no crowds. I should get to Indiana around 2:30. I will pick up the truck and I will drive as long as possible. If I get tired, I will simply get a motel. Oh my gosh, I'm so exhausted right now. I'm so tired. I didn't sleep well. I have so many calculations to do before people get up. So exhausted. Oh, where are my glasses? Oh. Okay. At the airport. And let's do this. Yo. What's up, guys? I made it to Philly. And next stop is Indiana to get the truck. I'm super tired. V8 engine, gas.
And you don't have to run the truck for anything.
Just picked up the truck. This will be my new home very soon. Can you see me in here? Can you see me living in here? First fill up of the new truck. The truck has been acquired, ladies and gentlemen.
Yo, I got the truck. I'm in it. We're here. I'm driving back to Maryland. I have a headache though because I can't yell. I'm headed to CVS right now. I'm so excited, guys. So excited.
To a low high, witness to his fault, I ain't in, I ain't go high. He ain't show up to the go high. Truck's gotta go high. Young nigga back on V.
So right now I'm setting up this new truck on the policy and removing the old truck that I sold. Sunglasses.
Thank you very much for your patience, sir.
Sure.
What I have to do is we're still in our work basket, work in progress. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. I just wanted to make sure I was covered while driving the truck home from Indiana. That's all.
One game, we ain't never leave, never leave. Counting up this money, we ain't never sleep, never. You got V12, I got 12 V's. Got bottles, got them. I'm all the way up.
His eyes got big when they televised that raw. My mama should have seen it coming. Me running up and down the stairs.
Morning, guys. stopped in Cumberland, Maryland last night, so I was tired. It is 8:15 right now in the morning, and I'm gonna get dressed and head to Maryland, or keep driving. I still have about 5 hours to go, so